the do's and don'ts to help safeguard your future. Focus on what you can control. No one could have predicted the pandemic or the historic recession that it caused. Attempting to predict the unpredictable or control the uncontrollable is a recipe for stress, frustration, and poor decision-making. Protect your cash flow. Your lifestyle depends upon your income strategy. Getting through volatile and uncertain times is about having enough cash on hand while not robbing yourself of future growth. Revisit your investments. Investing for retirement in today's market should not be set it and forget it. It's a continual process of adapting to changing conditions and evaluating risk against opportunities. Getting it right can mean achieving the retirement of your dreams. Don't give in to fear. Uncertainty can be scary, especially when you're navigating one of the biggest life transitions there is. But giving in to fear and making emotional decisions can damage more than just your investments. Don't put off critical decisions. When surrounded by uncertainty, sitting on the sidelines seems safe. But inaction can be the most dangerous action of all if it leaves you vulnerable to circumstances. Don't sacrifice your retirement dreams to the fog of uncertainty. We are experiencing a once-in-a-generation period of uncertainty, and it's okay not to have all the answers. It's important to identify blind spots in your financial plan and to take action to address those challenges. Contact us to get your copy of the do's and don'ts to safeguard your future guide today.